I can get used to this again. They see me rolling, they hating. But you know what? I'm stuck on the snow and I can't move. What a great way to start your day. Alright, so today is a big day. I'm revealing what's going on with the Skyline. We're going to talk about a little more about it because, you know, I've been kind of keeping it a secret for a while just because I thought that it was going to get done faster. Realized how much money it was actually going to cost and everything. I have a lot of parts. I ordered a bunch of parts and a bunch of stuff is coming. And the car is going to come along. I hope you're excited as I am because this car is going to be an absolute animal. But before we go to the shop, I need to go to Harbor Freight. I need to get 2 engine stands. I need to get 1 for the SR20. I need to get 2 for the Roadster motor because we're pulling the motor today so I can actually finish the engine for the turbo Miata. And wow, I can't see shit because of the sun. But we're going to go to Harbor Freight and then the shop. How come every time I come here I feel like they have this like crazy blowout sale going on, like it's like some big deal or something? Yeah, save $1 on zip ties. Woo! Alright, so I just got 2 engine stands and I guess they're gonna bring them to the car. Sick. These engine stands were meant for this trunk. Alright, so I just got... Snowball just flew. I just got to the shop. I'm letting the Roadster defrost right now just because if you guys watch Tommy's videos, I know we talked about it. Face tats, dented everything, trying to like clear the ice off. So I'm just gonna let it defrost. I'm not gonna go crazy. So we're gonna talk a little about the Skyline. I haven't really told you guys what motor I'm gonna be putting into the Skyline, but Tommy, I guess, said it in one of his videos. Fuck you. But anyways, we're gonna put the R33 swap into the 4-door. I did buy the RB26 R32 swap from his black car. And then he got the R34 motor. He was going to put the R33 swap into his new black GTR. But after he got the R34 swap, he didn't need this anymore. And it was just a little extra money. And it has cams. There's a better oil pump in it and everything. So it was just, it made more sense to go R33 swap instead of R32 swap. So this is the motor. I can't believe that we're actually gonna be putting this in. I'm pretty nervous to do it because like you gotta like drop the subframe and everything. It's a big motor, it's a big job, but we got Dom here, so I'm not really worried about that. But I'm just excited to make some serious power with it. I ordered all the suspension parts. If you guys watched my Logan Steel video, I am putting that S14 subframe in. I ordered the bushings for that. Me and Jimmy, he wants my welded diff out of the Skyline right now, and he's gonna give me a LSD out of his 300ZX, so we're gonna trade axles, so I have a better diff, and this thing's gonna be nutty. I'm very, very excited about it. Like, I ordered all these suspension parts like a week ago, and like every morning I wake up and I'm like, all right, we're gonna go outside. Is the box there? Is it there? Nope, it's never there. So I'm just waiting for the parts. I really, really want to start getting going on the Skyline. I'm going to do the suspension parts first. I want to take it kind of slow. I don't want to like completely strip the car and then like just have like an empty bare car and like just get overwhelmed. I want to take it a step at a time. Like suspension parts come in, drop the subframe, do the rear end first, put it back up. After we do the rear, we're going to do the front. And then after we do the front, we're going to do the 5-lug swap. And then we get the wheels. I haven't even picked out some wheels yet, but I'm looking at a couple right now. And then it's the motor. So that's really my plan. I just really wanted to share that with you guys because I kind of been secretive about it. And I guess there's no reason at this point. It's pretty late in the game, and I just want to tell you guys really what's going on with the car because I did tell you that it was going to start in December, but buying this, I have to buy because I want to make over 400 wheels. So I need to buy turbos. I need to buy intercooler piping. I just need to buy a bunch of stuff. Right now, all I really have is the R33 motor. I need to get the Collins adapter to run a CD009 tranny, and this thing's gonna be nutty. I'm very, very excited, but I really can't do anything right now. I'm probably gonna sit for another half an hour, wait for the Roadster to defrost, pull that motor, and then we can actually put the exhaust manifold on with the turbo on to the sleeper build. So I'll talk to you guys in a half an hour. Hopefully you're stoked because this is gonna be fucking nutty. All right, so I'm sick of this. That kind of hurts my arm. No, the arm works better. It's white. It won't show. So the Roadster's on the lift now. The first thing, what I always do is, because I don't really like being under the car because it kind of sucks, I'm just going to get the plantation beam off or the I-beam, whatever, take the motor mounts off, and just disconnect everything from the bottom just so I don't have to go back down there, and then I'm going to start from the top. So let's lift this up. Alright, so I got the coolant pissing out, I got the oil pissing out, and the I-beam is all disconnected. I just gotta, or I'm sorry, the tranny's all disconnected. I just have to drop this. Exhaust is off, O2 sensor is off, or, yeah, I don't have a wideband. And sleeves off, motor mounts are loosened, and the bolts are out. Fuck, man, I'm pissed this thing has AC. But so far, so good. All right, so I got everything disconnected from the bottom. I just drained the tranny fluid. Everything's off, and I started getting the intercooler off. But lovely girls, you know, you have to take care of that. So I need to go do something, and I guess I'm gonna come back here in the morning, actual morning, so I can actually post this for 1 in the afternoon. But when I get back tomorrow, I'm gonna start on the top. It should honestly only take like half an hour, 40 minutes, unless the AC gives me some trouble, because I hate doing that. But I will pick up this video tomorrow, which is the same video anyway, so it doesn't matter for you guys. Goodbye. Well, that morning didn't work out because I had to take care of some things. I'm sure you guys understand. So, what's going on out there? So tonight is Christmas Eve. I guess at midnight, so right now it is 9:57. At midnight, it is New Year's, so Happy New Year's to all you guys out there. Hopefully you're having more fun than I am, because I'm sitting here pulling a Roadster motor, but hey, someone's got to do it, right? Where did my flashlight go? I was going to show you guys something. I was letting my camera charge, and I just disconnected everything. I'm sure you guys didn't want to see. You've probably seen it 1,000 times on this channel. Look at this guy. You can't see him, but drive shaft's out. Tranny is disconnected, or from the I-beam. Everything's disconnected. AC's disconnected. The power steering's hanging. All the wires are off. Slave's disconnected. Intercooler's off. Everything, the whole 9 yards. It's all good. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna put the hoist over here, pull it, so I can actually put the exhaust manifold onto that with the good old turbo, and then we can start hopefully putting that into the other car soon. So let's pull this thing. Alright, so after a pretty long time, the engine, it's finally out of the car. I've never seen this before in my life, but I took the two 14 mil bolts out, or the two 14 mil nuts out, to actually get the motor mounts are loose, so I can actually just lift up the engine. And like, they were seized in there to the point where I was just jacking it up, and it was lifting the car off of the lift. And I have no idea why it did that, but I just kept going up and down until one of the motor mounts actually snapped. And then I had to take like these two bolts off right here to get the motor mount bracket off. So that was fun. But now what I'm doing is I gotta take this manifold off, and then I'm gonna put it onto that. And then really all I need to do for this motor to be dropped into the car is I just need to put the cam angle sensor back on. I need to put the valve cover gasket on and put the power steering on and swap out the oil pan, and then it's good to go into the car. So I'm gonna transfer that manifold to right there. Let's get it. So I just got the manifold off of this car, and off of this engine, I should say. And oh my god, is this engine looking pretty good. Check this out. So we got the good, I don't think I want to change the turbo. Like, I really like the way this turbo looks on this whole motor setup. I figured out how to do the power steering. Like I said, once I pulled that, I was just gonna look, and I had it right and everything. But if you can see this, when you pull this power steering pump off, this kind of pushes back. So what you have to do is you have to put the bolt all the way through and then tighten it, and then this is gonna tighten back up so this doesn't move. So like I said, the only thing this thing needs now, it needs an oil pan, needs both belts, and she's almost ready to roll. So now what I'm gonna do is, this is all good for tonight. I'm gonna take the tranny off of this, get this on an engine stand, and kind of just clean up the shop because it's kind of a disaster right now. If you can see all this. Oh, never mind. Sick. So I'm taking apart the Roadster engine right now, and I literally just took the tranny off, and check how much sludge there was. There's like a literally layer of sludge. Disgusting. Good thing I'm wearing gloves though. All right, so it is morning. I didn't go to bed. I kind of just been here all night, just walking around, cleaning a little, putting engine stands together, putting engines on stands, getting the boxes together for tomorrow's video. We're going to be opening all those boxes, seeing what's in them. I honestly want to open them right now, but I'm going to wait until I film it and everything. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9 boxes, so it should be fun. But we got all 3 engines on all engine stands. We got the SR for the Roadster. We got the X Roadster motor that I have no idea. This, I guess, is just a spare. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this, and this is for the sleeper Miata. And I'm kind of stoked I have 3 engine stands. I look like super legit, but I just got keys to the new shop because it is January 1st. Happy New Year's to everybody. And I'm gonna just like start moving slowly because I'm here until March 1st. I just want to move like everything that I don't need to like work. Like, I don't want to move my toolbox yet. I don't want to move the workbench, obviously not the lift yet, until like I'm 100% ready. I know where everything's gonna go. And yeah, so the first thing we're gonna move is we're gonna move the shelves to the new shop. I'm gonna bring all the parts for the LS2 car. I'm gonna bring all the parts for the LS1 car, like everything that I don't need. The only thing I'm really not gonna bring is the Skyline parts and the sleeper Miata parts. So we're gonna go ahead, clean these all off, get them in my friend's truck, and we're gonna go to the new shop. And check this out, I fixed the engine stand. I don't know if you guys remember, obviously you do, just go back to the video a little. It was like drooping, like super heavy. All I had to do was just switch this piece used to be over here, so I just flipped this 180 degrees, and now it just sits upright, so great. So guys, we just got to the new shop. I've been pushing, I've been moving a lot, I've been doing a lot, and I made some progress. You guys ready to see it? You sure? Here it is. So, we got 2 racks here. I know. It's not too much, but baby steps. I packaged like a lot of stuff to get ready to bring over here. Like all the LS2 stuff is packaged, LS1 stuff is packaged, but the sleeper Miata parts and the Skyline parts. So all that stuff will be coming soon, and I'll start moving again soon. But I'm exhausted, so I don't really want to do anything. But let's see what these idiots are doing.
What's up, dude?
I just want to show my office alone. My backstage casting.
Let me take my chair out of there.
All right, so this is my office where I can, you know, sit here alone. I have my own key. But yeah, I bought this fancy desk for like $400 because, you know, I thought Mike was gonna like stay with us, so I got like a desk for myself. Sorry, bud. Oh fuck, I left the key in it. This is ridiculous.
Come quick.
I have clients in here.
In the office with you?
Yes.
They can wait. There's not a lock on that side?
No.
That's a terrible door design. Seriously, open it.
I can't.
You're lying, dude. Hold on, try now. What the fuck are we gonna do?
What do you mean?
There, look next to the computer.
So anyways, as I was saying, I bought 2 desks because I thought Mike was going to stay with us. Sadly, he's not. So I got these 2 desks for no reason. So what I think I'm going to do with this desk is I think I'm going to put it over here, bring my gaming computer and everything, have it set up right there, put the couch along here so I have my computer in the back, and then put a big TV right here. I pretty much just really want a hangout spot. Nothing too crazy. What?
You fucking liar.
Can I help you? I'm helping my client.
I'm just trying to get my chair.
This is my chair.
Yeah, right. And my computer.
So anyways, there's the office. I do plan on buying a couch very soon. This is going to be... What?
What kind?
Leather.
Ooh, a leather? Like a love seat or a sofa?
Like
2-seater?
Honestly, I would like to make the one that like goes into a bed.
Oh, the fold out, they're pricey.
They're pricey, but
Worth it.
it's worth it. So, with that being said, that's going to be it for this video. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe for more, subscribe for more. And tomorrow, we're going to open all those boxes, and I'm pretty stoked. See you tomorrow.